Welcome to the MicroMolar Podcast, Biotech Signal Series. Today is Wednesday, May 20th, 2026.
Let's get right into today's top biotech signals.
Beam and Wave both reported promising genetic editing data in alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency, with Beam appearing to edge ahead. This makes AATD one of the most important proving grounds for next-generation precision editing.
Rising costs to license drugs from China are changing biotech deal-making. Chinese biotechs now account for a major share of global out-licensing, forcing buyers to be more selective and better locally informed.
Parabolis is moving toward an IPO shortly after signing a major Regeneron partnership. The timing shows how strong partnering validation can help reopen the biotech listing window.
GHO Capital and CBC Group plan to merge, potentially creating one of the largest healthcare specialist investors. The combined platform could have major influence over future healthcare and biotech deal financing.
Pfizer says it is comfortable pursuing vaccines for hantavirus and Ebola. The comments show Pfizer is still willing to invest in high-consequence infectious disease areas beyond its mainstream vaccine franchises.
Regeneron and Parabilis signed a deal worth up to $2.3 billion to create a new drug class. The partnership reflects continued interest in unlocking difficult-to-drug targets.
Full Life Technologies raised $150 million to advance its pipeline. The financing reinforces investor appetite for radiopharma and other high-growth oncology platforms.
The oral obesity drug race is intensifying after Lilly's Foundayo approval. The market is shifting from injectable dominance toward a new phase of pill-based competition.
Nusano is building a major radioisotope facility in Salt Lake City to support radiopharma growth. This kind of infrastructure could be essential for scaling next-generation radioactive cancer therapies.
Revolution Medicine's pancreatic cancer data are now drawing rivals that believe they can improve on its results. The competition shows how quickly one strong oncology readout can reshape an entire development field.
IPF is drawing fresh investor interest as biotechs target fibrosis with better tolerability. The disease remains a high-need area where existing therapies leave major room for improvement.
Moderna's stock rose as hantavirus concerns renewed attention on its infectious disease platform. Experts see limited pandemic risk, but the event reminds investors of Moderna's rapid response vaccine capabilities.
Former Acceleron leaders in Westlake are launching a new IPF biotech. The startup shows experienced operators are still forming companies around focused high-need disease areas.
Trump RX is adding more than 600 generic medicines to its platform. The expansion suggests a broader push to influence U.S. prescription drug pricing and access.
Another Paragon offshoot is choosing a reverse merger, this time focused on migraine drugs. Reverse mergers remain a faster public market route for biotechs when traditional IPOs are selective.
Incyte partnered with Edison Scientific to train AI models through drug discovery work. The deal reflects a practical shift from AI hype toward model building grounded in real discovery workflows.
Clinical trial developers are rethinking the path to IND with more integrated global strategies. The goal is to coordinate process development, analytics, and supply earlier to reduce regulatory risk.
New approach methodologies, or NAMs, are moving from promise into practical drug development workflows. These non-animal methods could reshape safety testing if regulators and sponsors align.
GPCRs and radiopharma are driving renewed interest in functional peptide screening. Better screening tools could become key infrastructure for next-generation targeted therapies.
Those are all the biotech signals for today. Thanks for tuning in to the MicroMolar Podcast.
Visit micromolar.com for more information. See you next time.